most of the people are thinking about that Elon Musk are the biggest billionaire in the world because of his capital and the revenue in stock market. But I'm just telling you one thing more than it. What he has done the struggle by Elon Musk from the scratch, as South Africa, the origin of his country. I'm telling you one thing: the same person, the same personality has done the same thing. His name is Naveen Jain. His origin from the country of India, India. He's from Kerala, and he has done lots of innovation in America. And Moonlight, that's his company name, Naveen Jain's company name, Moonlight, where he is just innovating to just making a new rockets and the science for astronauts to just bring public to from the earth to moon. And but the race is all about right now through Elon Musk. It's about from earth to Mars. But I'm telling you, you should proud, if you are Indian, you should proud about Naveen Jain, because he is doing a great work more than Elon Musk. And the best thing is about that the same story and the same chronology has been done by both of them, Naveen Jain and Elon Musk. As Elon Musk has just came from South Africa, made a computer programming and then some programming and made a game, sold on $500. Then he has just invented for new app PayPal and sold it on $1 billion. I'm telling you about the Indian person. His name is Naveen Jain, has done the same thing. He has just made a different kind of application, a different zone industry, and made and sold it in $1 million. And he has put it all his money into the inventions about to just bring the people from earth to moon. Okay, so I'm telling you one thing: you all are the people, even me, are the racist, because one of the most thing that we all are racist because we just think and see and watch and analyze only USA, not India, only America. So that's your biggest mistake, bro. So Naveen Jain is doing a more great thing than Elon Musk. Elon Musk, I'm giving you a challenge, bro. Even I'm going to do a new revolution because I'm just drunk. So I'm going to do some revolution in motors vehicles, and you are just made a kind of a more than 1 crore of car, $1 million of car. But I'm just going to release within kind of thousands of dollars, not dollars, biggest thing in INR, Indian rupees, it would be kind of 10 lakh rupees of electronic car, bro. Okay, the same concept is solar concept, as you have not invented, it's a solar. You have just used the solar technology into homemade houses. So I will not tell you about this thing and give you a challenge about it, bro.